In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you no longer need your Threads account, you can permanently delete it. However, you have to note that this is a permanent decision and you won't be able to recover your account should you want it back. To do this, log into your Threads account by opening the app and then log into your account. And then from here, go to your profile icon down below and then access settings by just tapping on these two lines. Now under settings, go to accounts center and this will give us an option to manage our accounts. Tap on manage accounts and this will list all the accounts you have. As you can see under Threads, I have this one and I have another Instagram account below. So I'll choose manage Threads account and then here we can either deactivate or delete the account. Tap on it to see more options. And now we have two options, either to deactivate account or to delete account. If you know that you'll need your account later, choose the first option, deactivate account. However, if you no longer need and you will never need this account again, then go to the second option and tap on delete account. From here, proceed and tap on continue. And here you are told your account information will be deleted and you'll see a summary of the content you have on your account here. Finalize this by tapping on continue. You will need to enter or confirm your account by entering your password to verify that it is you before you can permanently delete this account. However, you have to note, as we have been told, that this is a permanent decision and it can't be reversed. So that's how you can permanently delete your Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.